Today we have three massively bullish articles. First one is Ripple's ISO 20022 compliance paves way for XRP in traditional payment systems. Next one is going to be the Ripple reveals first partners for RLUSD stablecoin with top exchanges and platforms, plans to launch on XRP Ledger and Ethereum. And the last one, XRP skyrockets 60% in volume amid 266 million market chaos. And at the end, we're going to be listening to a few of the videos at the Ripple Swell event. Some of the speakers are very high influential people, and they only have good things to say. So make sure you stick around to the end. And welcome back to the channel. I'm Crypto Spartacus. We only talk about XRP news. If you enjoy the video, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the notification button. So first of all, Ripple is taken over. As we can see in the picture, it's going to be taken over the globe. It's going to be taken over the custody market. Ripple is on top of the vault. The coins have been pushed out, and XRP tokens are no doubt inside that vault. So Ripple ISO 20022 compliant, a move many say will benefit XRP, and it definitely will. As a cross-border enabler, Ripple's success can translate to XRP's growth, and it's only a matter of time. So market participants believe Ripple's adoption of ISO 20022 could open the way for XRP's integration into traditional payments systems. So while XRP and ISO 20022 are unrelated, Ripple's compliance with the industry standard for financial messaging may benefit the coin. So what is Ripple's connection with ISO 20022? It is a flexible framework that allows users and message development organizations to define information according to an international agreed upon approach. So this standard provides a structured and data-rich common language readily exchanged among corporations and banking systems. So this standard, developed by International Organization for the Standardization, or the ISO, also provides an opportunity for enhanced analytics. This can lead to offering valuable new levels of payment services to financial institutions and their customers. So approximately 72% of institutions connected to the SWIFT network anticipate switching to ISO 20022 by November 2025. Additionally, over 70 countries, including Switzerland, China, India, and Japan, anticipate adopting ISO 20022 into their payment systems. So very exciting stuff. And according to the CNF report, the messaging system is set for smooth harmonization and efficiency in cross-border transactions. SWIFT, which handles a substantial share of cross-border payments, is leading the transition from its early messaging system, or the MT, to ISO 20022. The move aims to standardize financial communications and streamline payment processes, so allowing financial institutions to operate globally. So it's a big move and a very smart move. So Ripple, a key player in blockchain-based payments, joined the standards body in 2020. Ripple's participants allows its payment network, RippleNet, to integrate with other ISO 2022 compliant institutions. This compliance makes it easier for RippleNet to conduct cross-border transactions through a unified application programming interface, or the API. So the company involvement with the ISO 20022 has raised discussions about how it might impact XRP. So the token does not comply with the messaging standard despite Ripple's adherence to the ISO 20022. Some crypto community members claim XRP complies with ISO 20022 due to Ripple's participation in the standard. So the Ripple Chief Technology Officer, Mr. David Schwartz, recently refuted this claim, emphasizing that the token has nothing to do with ISO 20022. He argues that ISO 20022 is a messaging standard, while XRP functions entirely as a cryptocurrency. So the possible benefits for XRP, although XRP is not directly compliant with the messaging standard, it can still benefit from Ripple's alignment with the framework. So Ripple's compliance may facilitate XRP's integration into established banking institutions. For instance, Ripple's payment solutions, especially on-demand liquidity, or the ODL, may gain more popularity as financial institutions switch to ISO 20022. ODL allows faster, cost-effective cross-border settlements using XRP as a bridge asset between different fiat country currencies. XRP's faster transaction speeds could entice financial institutions seeking efficient cross-border payment options to adopt the token. Furthermore, Ripple's involvement with the ISO 20022 may create new opportunities for XRP to be integrated into the wider financial ecosystem. Overall, this might impact the price of the coin, and it's only going to go up. And it's on the pause at the moment thanks to the SEC, and it's a discounted price at the moment. So the best place to buy buy XRP is BitChinex, a place where I accumulate my XRPs at this discounted price. The link is below the video, and I dare say do your own research because it's exceptionally good time to buy. Ripple reveals first partners for the RLUSD stablecoin with top exchanges and platforms. Plans to launch on XRP, Ledger, and Ethereum. So once again, we can see Ripple and XRP taking over the world on all the tokens in front of us in the picture. So Ripple aims to position RLUSD as leading stablecoin in the rapidly growing $170 billion market, focusing on a regulatory compliance and utility in cross-border payments. So that's very exciting. The RLUSD stablecoin will be backed by short-term US treasuries and cash equivalents. With testing currently ongoing, the XRP Ledger on the XRP Ledger and Ethereum networks. So in the latest push for its USD pegged RLUSD stablecoin, blockchain startup Ripple announced it exchange partners and market maker partners during the Ripple Swell 2024 conference in Miami, Florida on Tuesday. It is still ongoing today, and we're going to be looking at some of those videos, those speakers, what they have to say on crypto at the end. And it is very interesting and exciting and bullish news. So in its official announcement, Ripple has named exchange partners such as Bitstamp, Uphold, Bitso, Independent Reserve, MoonPay, CoinMena, and Bullish for hosting its RLUSD stablecoin. Similarly, its market maker partners include KeyRock and B2C2, which will provide liquidity support to the RLUSD stablecoin during the launch period. So once again, Ripple today at Ripple Swell, we're proud to announce our Ripple USD exchange partners. Upon regulatory approval, RLUSD will be globally available for institutions and users from Uphold Inc., Bitstamp, Bitso, MoonPay, Indiserve, hope that's right, CoinMena, and Bullish. So, moreover, Ripple has appointed the former FDIC chair Sheila Bair and David Putz, ex-CEO of Center. So the consortium behind USD Coin to the advisory board for stablecoin, speaking on the development. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said, "With our initial exchange partners, clearly utility and demand for RLUSD and a strong focus on the regulatory compliance, Ripple's stablecoin is poised to become the gold standard for enterprise-grade stablecoins. Our payment solutions will leverage RLUSD, XRP, and other digital assets to enable faster and more reliable and cost-effective cross-border payments." So that's Brad Garlinghouse himself, the $10 billion man for a reason. And it is very, very big news. Although the official date for the launch of the RLUSD stablecoin is not clear, Garlinghouse said last month that it would happen in weeks, not months. So from what he said, not recently, it should be one more week. So he also warned users to be vigilant about any RLUSD scams and only wait for the official announcement from the firm, reported from their CNF. So Ripple's RLUSD eyes big pie of the stablecoin market. So now the announcement follows Ripple's earlier plans to launch its stablecoin, aiming to capture a share of the rapidly expanding 170 billion stablecoin market. Stablecoins play a crucial role in the crypto economy, acting as a link between traditional government-issued currencies and blockchain-based digital assets. Also, the stablecoin market is likely to grow to $1 trillion by 2030. I reckon it's going to happen sooner. Thus, Ripple's RLUSD will be pitching direct competition to giants like the USDT and the USDC through its institution-first approach, reported CNF. So, President of Ripple Labs, Monica Long, said the company is operating ready from their end. So, through the stablecoin, Ripple intends to capitalize on its established role in payments and serve as a crucial bridge for the tokenization of real-world assets. Long stated, in the last 24 hours, Ripple has already minted 4.5 million RLUSD stablecoins. Speaking on the matter, Long said, for RLUSD and stablecoins generally, we definitely have validated the utility of them with payments. So we're also believers in broader trend of real-world asset tokenization. When we think beyond tokenizing money to a different instruments and capital markets like securities and bonds, real estate and other assets, you need a stablecoin that's trusted and very reliable, very robustly managed for on and off ramps as well. So XRP is an excellent token. So RLUSD's value will be supported by short terms, US treasuries, dollar deposits, and cash equivalents. It is currently undergoing testing on the XRP Ledger and Ethereum networks. The company plans to publish independent monthly attestations of its reserve, which will be conducted by the San Francisco-based accounting firm BPM. So very exciting news. XRP skyrockets 60% in volume amid 266 million market chaos. So what has happened? Once again, XRP taken over in the picture. According to data from CoinGlass, the volume of derivatives trading on XRP has literally skyrocketed by 60% in the past few hours. So the metric, which tracks the turnover of perpetual futures, mostly on the popular cryptocurrency, has seen its counter set at 1.22 billion, which is nearly 60% more than the previous 24 hours. By this margin, XRP currently leads the top 10 largest cryptocurrencies, excluding stablecoins. So the increase in trading activity on the 7th largest cryptocurrency has also been seen on the spot market, where CoinMarketCap data shows that the volume totaled 1.21 billion in the last 24 hours. So this is already 40% higher than the day before. So what is going on? There's interest back. The best way to estimate the level of engagement and trading activity for the token is to compare its volume, which for XRP totals at 2.43 billion, to the token's market cap, which currently stands at 30.68 billion for XRP. So calculating the ratio gives us a figure of 7.92%, which characterizes a level of engagement and trading activity as fairly normal, albeit higher than usual. So why? This could be due to the Columbus Day holiday, which was celebrated in the US yesterday, and therefore the stock markets were closed. Even though the cryptocurrency market is not tied to a common habitat and is active 24/7, is trading actively, is still closely correlated to the traditional funds market. So the other reason is the roller coaster price action seen on the market today, as the price of Bitcoin continues to make headlines for its march to new all-time high, and alternative digital assets reach to such disruptions. As a result of the extended volatility, cryptocurrency derivatives traders suffered a staggering 266.34 million in liquidation. So very interesting stuff. XRP is going to be number one. It's only a matter of time. And now we're going to get some speakers from the Ripple itself.
Question for you, Nancy. Talk a little bit about the use and adoption of stablecoins within the Uphold platform and how you see that potentially changing.
I do think stablecoins are the killer use case. You know, they are screaming utility. They're lower cost and they're just rapid settlement. It's instant. About 90% of all crypto transactions involve some sort of stablecoin in that transaction. So I think you'll see a lot more on the retail side, the easier we make it, to make it borderless, easy, fast for people to use.
Oh, there you go, Nancy. Thanks for that, Nancy. We'll go on to the next one.
It has been the biggest year of institutional adoption for digital assets and blockchain that we've seen to date. And we think this has been driven by three trends. Momentum for global regulatory clarity, crypto getting validation from Wall Street as a bona fide asset class, tokenization of real-world assets. And we think this is just the tip of the iceberg. We know from working with financial institutions for many years that what they want is a one-stop shop that provides secure and compliant digital asset infrastructure. And that's what we do.
And that was Monica Long. Thanks, Monica. And that is all for now. It is a good time to invest whilst the SEC have a suppression on XRP. BitConnect is the best site, and it's only going to last for so long before it absolutely skyrockets. You get 5,500 USD worth of benefits, and it's the best platform to use. It is below the video. That is all from Crypto Spartacus. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button. Until the next one, peace out.